welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, your sister Naomi Labelle. Happy New Year, bon année. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Naomi. I do want to apologize. I know I just disappeared like that. The last video that I uploaded was in 25th of December 2021. I think we were going to the 2022 New Year. That's been like a year, so I do apologize guys for disappearing. But if you've been following me on my TikTok, on my Instagram, then you would have seen that I was active more there. Yeah, so if you don't follow me on my other platform or other social media, do follow me, okay, so you don't miss out. So if I do not upload on here, then you would be notified over there, okay? So yeah, I do want to just, you know, let it out before I go on to this new video of mine. Sorry if I'm looking down. I got my notes here, okay? I'm just following that through. Before we get started into this video, please remember to subscribe, like and comment and share, okay? Share it to your friends, share it to your family, and if you think it might be beneficial to someone, then please do share it, okay? Don't just be selfish and keep it to yourself. All right, I can see you, okay? I'm so excited. I don't know how to act because it's been a very long time since I've actually recorded myself, you know? I passed my theory test. So for me, I literally read the whole book of the official DVSA theory test for car drivers. Which you don't have to read it. You don't have to read the whole book. I'll put it somewhere over here or there. You don't have to read the whole book, but I did. Don't ask me why I still read it. I would say the most thing that really helped me to pass my my theory test was the app, which I had to download, and I also had to pay £5 for it. Those apps don't come free, darling. Yes, so I had to pay £5 for it, and the app is called Official DVSA Theory Test Kit. I will also put it somewhere around here. The thing I loved about that app was it had so much information, and there was mock test which I could practice, okay, before actually attending my test. And there was also hazard perception, which also, you know, it helped me as well to watch a video. When you pay, everything becomes free. So yeah, so you first have to pay. It'll show you your progress, how you are doing, and if you went wrong to a certain question, it will basically help you to correct yourself, okay? What I did for me, which it helped me to correct my mistake, was I screenshot the questions and the answers that I got incorrect. I kept revising it, you know. I kept going forward and backward with it. The mock test really helped so much. I would say, you know, for all exams that you go through in life, you know, it's better to do mock test so it can prepare you for it. Okay. I didn't stop there, so I went and downloaded another app that also helped me as well.
I just wanted to phrase you guys there. So these apps really helped me, okay? But yeah, you don't have to necessarily download all these apps, but if you want to, you can do, okay?
My best advice for you guys is do not book your test early. Do not book your test early without doing the mock test. Don't do that. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. So I did that, and guess what? I failed on it. That was my first time I did my test, my theory test, and I failed on it, which it also taught me to be confident, but not too confident. Because sometimes when you go out there and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna smash this, and then ooh, you know, life hit you, you know. So yeah, be confident, you know, but don't be like over and feel like, yeah, you're better all this. Nah, just take it slow, okay? Take it slow. Do lots of mock tests. That really helped me, okay? Do lots of mock tests and be ready, okay? When I say be ready, don't feel like because you've been smashing it on the mock test and you feel like, yeah, I'm ready to go do the test. No, you might be smashing on the mock test, but then when you go do the real test, you might not smash it. So, you know, by smashing, I mean like you might not, you know, pass. You know what I mean? yeah, and I will also say having families and friends supporting system, that really helps as well. For me, I really had my partner to support me, to keep pushing me forward, you know. When I didn't pass for the first time, of course I was upset with myself, and I said, you know what, I might not go back. But then, because having someone who's been through it, and having someone who, you know, it took them as well a very long time, you know, or lots of times, you know, for them to pass, it really helped me. So yeah, I'll say have and be surrounded with people that will support you, you know, that will be there for you, if that makes sense. They'll be cheering for you, even though if you fail or even if you pass, they'll be cheering for you. So for me, it was like that. So my first time I didn't pass, okay, which it was okay. I was upset. I cried. I didn't cry about it. Did I cry? No, I don't think I did. Yeah, I didn't cry about it. So, but I was just upset, and I was too confident. And yeah, I just had someone there, you know, to support me, to keep, you know, pushing me forward and forward. And then the second time I ended up passing. So guys, it's not always about the first time passing. Okay, it's not always about, oh yeah, I gotta do it right for the first time. Then nah, don't put that into your mind. I was like that. I was like, oh yeah, do you know what, I'm gonna go there, and boom. I went there and it didn't work. So I'll say, guys, take it easy, okay? For anyone that would be doing the 3 tests, you know, just take it easy. Don't be too hard on yourself as well. It's gonna be okay. You don't pass first time, you don't pass second time, third time, fourth, fifth, you know, so and so. Don't be too, you know, don't be too hard on yourself. Just take it easy and keep trying, okay? Keep going. Those are the tips from me to you guys, to anyone that will be going through it. Okay. Around the time I was doing the video about the things to leave out, the things to leave in 2021, I think roughly about that time I was doing my theory. So yeah, I think it's been two years, isn't it? Yeah, 2 years. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope this video has really, you know, motivated you, and it has, you know, pushed you forward there. And if you are the type of person, or if you were one of them, you know, they went for the first time or second time or third time and it did not work for them, or it did not work for you, listen, baby, listen, boo, don't give up. Don't just stop there, okay? I'm encouraging you to go and step on it and do it, because trust me, it will be super handy. It will be super handy. So yeah, and remember to subscribe, to like, and to comment, and to also share it to anyone that might be needing it. If you think your little sister, your big brother, or whoever, your mother, your auntie, your uncle, you know, that needs that push or that little thing from the Congolese sister, you may say, I don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah, so you know, pesa bango yango, give it to them, okay? So thank you guys, I'm so happy. So don't worry, I'm not gonna be disappearing once more.
You lying?
So yeah, so I'll see you for the next part. So the next part, which it will be the practical, so how I pass my practical, okay? If you've got any question, comment down below, okay? I will be answering them. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.
Nakobanga binote, nakobanga nzambe na ngai.
I really hope that was good.